Bitch, it's a rate, not a rover. Got stars in the front, so I don't need a chauffeur. If you got pipe, then you can't get no closer.
Oh my God!
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J.MXLLXON from Island Dreams Productions here on the beautiful island of Keycalker, Belize in Central America. And today I'm gonna be bringing to you guys how I make a song for Pop Smoke. Alright, let's get straight up into it. Alright, well the first thing we'll need for a Pop Smoke song is a Pop Smoke beat. So let's jump up into FL Studio. Alright guys, well the first thing I did was I laid down this melody in Omnisphere and I half-timed it and I put an EQ on it so it just had a nice ambient sound to it. I then put on these hi-hats so it had that nice UK New York drill style to it. I added in these claps. I added in this 808 pattern with some nice 808 slides because you know it can't be a Pop Smoke beat if it don't have the slides. I also added in a secondary 808 pattern so that the song had variations from time to time. I added in this open hat, this rim sound. I also added in this kick pattern. I laid this melody down with a voice patch in Omnisphere so it has a nice spooky feeling. I also laid down this sound effect. I laid down this melody with FL keys and added some reverb and a nice little EQ just to polish it off. And then lastly, I added on this guitar melody just to top it off. So let's see what we got. Alright guys, so I got the entire beat put down, so let's check it out and see how it sounds.
This is one of those songs, Jonathan.
Woo! Got that Pop Smoke vibe to it. Well, that's the vibe that we were looking for, guys. So let's go right up into it and then we just start putting down these lyrics. Okay, guys. Well, if you guys listen to Pop Smoke, you'd know his lyrics are mainly focused around cars, drugs, women, and a lot of shopping, mainly flexing in general. I'll try my best to recreate something as close as I can without stepping on his original style.
Bitch, it's a rate, not a rover. Got stars in the front, so I don't need a chauffeur. If you got pipe, then you can't get no closer. I'm always high, baby, I'm never sober. She wanna go out, I don't need that exposure. If I spot a nop, then it's over. If I see a nop, take his head off. I'll be like, what is this face for? Pop a pill like a thought. Told her, get off. You just took one, you should take more. Hit the store with that bitch, she get wet off. Shawty know everything paid for. Give my niggas a hit, he get to it. He be like, Millie, don't say more.
Alright guys, well let's get into these ad-libs. Woo! Woo!
Boy, if you don't get
Woo! Alright guys, for the mixing techniques, I added on a de-esser, I put a compressor, I put a sound gooder, I had a parametric EQ. I also had on this Pro MB just to give it a little de-essing and polish. I used a doubler. I also added on some reverb and a delay. I'm not gonna go too in depth.
Much later.
If you guys would like me to do a full tutorial on vocal mixing, just let me know in the comments. And let's see what we ended up with.
Bitch, it's a rate, not a rover. Got stars in the front, so I don't need a chauffeur. If you got pipe, then you can't get no closer. I'm always high, baby, I'm never sober. She wanna go out, I don't need that exposure. If I spot a nop, then it's over. If I see a nop, take his head off. I'll be like, what is this face for? Pop a pill like a thought. Told her, get off. You just took one, you should take more. Hit the store with that bitch, she get wet off. Shawty know everything paid for. Give my niggas a hit, he get to it. He be like, Millie, don't say more. My niggas have no hesitation. They catch a body on Friday like Jason. That's why my life is amazing. Hop in them foreigns, we racing. Don't fuck with the 12, no dog, we don't need bacon. Circle the block, asking questions, we be like, dawg, we don't know shit. While I still got the Glock, got the glizzy, and the whip filled with like 4 bricks. If he snitch, he a rat, then he dizzy. We don't throw stones out, we shoot sticks. And the girl to his crib, keep him busy. Shooters arrive, it's a sure hit. Bitches a rate, not a rover. Got stars in the front, so I don't need a chauffeur. If you got pipe, then you can't get no closer. I'm always high, baby, I'm never sober. She wanna go out, I don't need that exposure. If I spot a nop, then it's over. If I see a nop, take his head off. I'll be like, what is his face for? Pop a pill like a thought. Told her get off. You just took one, you should take more. Hit the store with that bitch, she get wet off. Shawty know everything paid for. Give my niggas a hit, he get to it. He be like, Millie, don't say more.
Well, there you guys go. That's my version of how I'd make a song for Pop Smoke. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like a link to the full song or the beat, I'll make sure I leave links to those down below as well. Once again, thank you guys for checking it out and staying till the end. This is J.MXLLXON from Island Dreams. Until next time, peace out, guys.
He be like, Millie, don't say more.
Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Okay, okay. I'm about to shit on this bitch right now.